All right, for this, all right, so I'm gonna be making agua fresca out of watermelon, sandía. All right, and you don't really need much, man. All you need is I got two small seedless watermelons. I'm gonna need some sugar, a strainer. If you don't like pulp, I'm gonna strain mine because I want mine to be like a nice and clear liquid, and a pitcher, something to put your agua fresca in. Oh, and a blender. All right, you're gonna need a blender. I don't know where the top is, so I'm gonna have to use a paper plate to cover it up. But anyway, make sure you have some ice too. I'm gonna cut these in half and make some cubes or some watermelon chunks out of this, and then we're gonna throw it in the blender with some water. All right. So let me cut these, and I'll be right back. All right, boom, the watermelon chunks. All right. Now I'm gonna put some in my blender. It's tough being your own cameraman, man. Sorry. It's gonna be a little shaky. I don't have my GoPro with me this time. All right, it's about full right there. So what I'm gonna do is add some water. That's 1 cup. I'm going for another cup. Not exactly a cup, but screw it. Boom. All right. Just gonna use this because I can't find the top to the blender. You got water in here. Water's about right there, melon to the top. So you can see I still got some more watermelon. I'm gonna have to do this process a couple of times, all right? So first of all, let's start this. I'm gonna blend it. Should be good. Look at that, nice and frothy there. See how all that pulp and them seeds. It's a seedless watermelon, but there's still a little bit of seeds in there. So I'm gonna put my pitcher right here. Wata! Got my strainer right there. This is better to do if you don't have a camera in your hand or your phone. And I'm already making a mess on the sides here, but like I said, if I don't have to hold my phone, it'd be a whole lot easier. Cool, I'm just gonna let that rest of that juice kind of make its way down in there. You might have to stir it around a little bit. And there's my clean juice right there. I'm gonna finish with the rest of the watermelon that I have. I'm just gonna put more watermelon in the blender, more cups of water, probably 2 cups each blend, and pour them in my pitcher here, strain it. And I'm gonna knock that out real quick, and then we'll finish it up. I'll be right back. All right, now take a look at that. That's what we got. That's the whole 2 watermelons right there, and I got it all in my pitcher. Now what we're gonna do right here is I'm gonna take a spoon and add a couple of spoonfuls of sugar. Now because watermelon is already naturally sweet, I'm not gonna use a whole lot of sugar. What I'm gonna do is just put a few spoonfuls in, stir it, give it a taste, and if I like it, then I'm gonna just keep it as is. But like I said, watermelon, because it's already naturally sweet, probably won't need a whole lot of sugar. So here I go, just stir it around. And I'm gonna get my taste tester right here to test it out for me. Ah, we got the thumbs up. We're good to go. Okay, and our last ingredient is probably the most important one. We're gonna put a lot of ice in there. This drink needs to be ice cold. It's better when it's ice cold. You can drink it however you want it, but I highly recommend lots of ice. I'm just gonna pour all this ice into my pitcher. Push it down and let that ice get in there so it can get cold. And that's basically pretty much it, man. Agua fresca, made out of watermelon. Sandia, agua fresca. Very refreshing drink, especially if you live in Texas, because it's hot as hell out here. All right, man. Hopefully this video worked out for you. Give it a shot in the comfort of your own home. Hit me back with some feedback. Let me know what's good. Throw down a like. Hit me with a comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.
I don't know. I'm just so used to pain.
And check that out. Look at that glass. Doesn't it look tasty? Agua Fresca at its finest right there, people. There's my little my little floor sweeper right there. He wants himself a glass. He's trying to find some of that watermelon, but can't have none, sir. Agua Fresca, baby.